Are you tired of Adobe's monthly fees? In this video, we're comparing Photoshop to its top 2025 rivals, which is the Affinity Photo and Gimp, to find the best photo editing software for your needs and budget. So let's get started. So just a quick overview, Photoshop or the Adobe this is the industry standard backed with AI features and subscription based. For Affinity Photo, it has one-time payment and professional grade and very fast. For GIMP, it has free and open source. This is powerful but with a steeper learning curve. So each has strengths, but which one fits you best? So for the user interface and ease of use for the Photoshop, it is polished UI, deeply customizable and familiar for pros. For Affinity Photo, it is sleek and intuitive, especially for newcomers to pro editing. For GIMP, it is functional but less modern UI, and it takes time to learn. So Affinity Photo feels closest to Photoshop, and GIMP can be powerful but rougher around the edges. Now for editing power and features. So for Photoshop, it is generative AI tools, which is the Firefly, and smart objects, content-aware fill, and it is advanced layer styles and masking, and this is also ideal for composite photography and design work. For Affinity Photo, it has raw editing, HDR merge, and live filters. It also has full CMYK or the RGB support and no AI tools as of 2025, but blazing fast performance. For GIMP, it has layer support, mask, and powerful brushes. It has missing smart objects and limited non-destructive workflows. And it also has many pro features possible via plugins. So Photoshop wins for cutting edges features, but Affinity holds strong for traditional editing, and GIMP covers the basics, no strings attached. So performance and compatibility. For Photoshop, it is heavy on RAM but optimized. So this is great for across Mac and Windows. For Affinity Photo, it is super fast, especially on Apple Silicon or the M1, M2, and M3. For GIMP, it is lightweight and compatible with Linux too. And for the compatibility, Photoshop uses PSD, so this works best with Adobe Suite. Now for Affinity, it can open PSDs, so export in many formats. You can export it in many formats. For GIMP, it supports PSD or partially XCF as native format. Now let's talk about their pricing and value in 2025. So for Photoshop, it has subscription, so it starts at $20.99 per month or via Adobe Creative Cloud. It also has constant updates and support. Now for Affinity Photo, it has one-time payment, which is the $70. So this has frequent free updates. And it also has no subscription, so it works on desktop and iPad. For GIMP, it is 100% free, open source, so no official support and community driven. So Affinity Photo offers the best deal for serious editors on a budget, and GIMP wins for completely free power users. So who should use each? So you can choose Photoshop if you need an AI tool, and it is also top tier features or work in a pro environment. So you already use the Adobe apps, so Photoshop is best for you. Now choose Affinity Photo if you want pro tools without paying monthly, and if you're a photographer, designer, or illustrator. And also use or choose the GIMP if you're just starting out and if you want free open source software with no strings attached. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. So Photoshop, it is most powerful features. It has most powerful features, and it is also the industry standard. For the cons, it is expensive and subscription only. And for Affinity Photo, it has one-time price, and it is It is also fast and pro grade. And the cons is it lacks AI and some advanced automation. For GIMP, it is 100% free and highly customizable. But the cons is it is steeper learning curve and less polished. So in 2025, Photoshop is still the king of features. But for most creators, Affinity Photo is the best alternative because it has no subscription, no compromise, and if you want something free, GIMP has your back. So, which one are you using in 2025? Let me know in the comments and hit that like button. And also subscribe to our channel. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.